Hello, this is Tony from Let's Book. I will show you a new function called Booking Scheduler. This is newly developed, so I'll let you know how to use it. But before using it, I'll show you a management store setup. You will see this page. There's a new function called Step Login function. I'm just gonna deactivate it first. I'll show you, let you know how to use it. This one has a safety mode function, which means every scheduler or even yourself has to log in first. Otherwise, you will just log in and see each other's schedules. If you don't want that, then click that one just underneath the schedulers. Here, click that one and set up your admin code and activate it. You will see a red button here, which means activated already. You can always choose and deactivate or change your own numbers for admin code. Same as that, Ellen and Tony has to have a number to log in. So click Ellen, change the code. I will set up 111 for each, but you need to use your safer number, okay? And for Tony, I use 222, which means I'll just show you. If you log in as Ellen 111, then Ellen only see Ellen's schedules, not Tony's. Same as that 222, which is Tony. If Tony logged in, then Tony only see Tony's schedule. That's how this function works. I'm going to change it to admin mode 000, which is I'll see everyone's schedule. So you as an owner, you have to use admin's code to see every single schedules here. This scheduler function is almost same as calendar function. The only difference is you use this scheduling mode, which is more detailed, more easy to use. But the thing is, when you have a lot of schedulers, which like 5 or 10 or something like that, for that case we can't see the weekly mode or monthly mode for scheduling. It's too much. So you can see a daily mode. You can just check the date on the calendar and you will see schedulers underneath it. Each scheduler has its scheduling cases. Let's call it booking cases. So now I'll let you know one by one. There's a calendar mode, sorry, and reminder mode. Calendar mode, you will see a lot of booking cases and functions. In the reminder mode, you will only see the list. You can also search up here, but in the list, you will see the checkboxes, right? Click the checkbox and then send reminder, which means for these two person, I will send the SMS for confirming booking, right? So for 23rd, which is tomorrow, now this is 22nd. So you want the who booked 23rd, then search up like December 23rd, all the customers 23rd. Click that one, all of them, or you can just click this to check all of them and send a reminder. You will send SMS to everyone of on the list, right? So use it as a reminder to the customer. Go back to calendar mode. I will show you how to use these search up functions. Like in the scheduler, you can check Ellen. As an admin, you just want to see Ellen's schedule or Tony's schedule. Then you can use that one. Or if you go to the mobile mode, then select test. I will see the numbers. It's 0478766331. I will search up like that 0478 766 331. Then it will search up these cases. If I change the numbers to, then it's not gonna search up anything because there's no one using that number, right? So if the customer wants to check which date or which time they booked, then you can use their own number. Or if they know the booking code, the Latchbox system let the customer knows booking code, but sometimes they don't know. But if someone knows, you can just use the booking code number. I'm just gonna reload it and check the code number, which is 1600. I will search up 1600. You will see only this case, right? And also you can use customer name to search up the cases, booking cases, like tester, Jason. If I search up Jason, you can only see Jason's booking here. And if you see the red sign here on the calendar, which means you have a schedule, go here, there's Jason as well, but under Ellen's scheduling, right? That's how you use this function. If you want to find out canceled booking case, you can just simply click that one, then it will show you the canceled ones. Alright, I will show you later how to use it. Okay, so I'm going to 25th and then set up new schedules here because there's no schedules. For Ellen, in the PC mode, you can just simply double click it in the cell, or you can drag and drop. But in the iPad or on your mobile phone, you can just press and hold for a while, like 1 or 2 seconds. Alright, that's the same as double clicking it. So I'm just gonna double click it, and now you have 25th 8 to 8:30. Now you need to set up a customer's name like tester, and I'll check my own number. If you know, you can set up an email address. And there's Ellen, because I checked Ellen's scheduling section. And title is hair and beauty. You need to set up a comment as well. You will set up a price. If you don't have any price, 0. If you have price, put the numbers. And book, it's gonna send SMS to the customer, which is me, and this booking already set up. You have a one booking case for Ellen. If you double click here, then you will make schedule for Tony, right? You can drag and drop, make a new schedule. Very simple, right? And when you want to change it, you can change the time, which is already booked, change it, and then simply rebook. You can send SMS or not. I'm just not going to send SMS. You can just set up time difference, right? Just like that. Or if Ellen's sick on that date, we don't know, but for example, then you can drag to Tony from Ellen. Then Tony will have schedule. So you can just toss the booking case to another person, another scheduler. Just like that. And also here, you can change the times or times like that, or you can just drag to another time, something like this, and set up just like this. Very simple, isn't it? And because this case was Ellen's, now it's Tony's schedule. If you click that one, it show you relocated histories on that day at this time from Ellen to Tony. So they will recognize this person is originally from Ellen, but now it's to Tony, right? That's how you make schedules or change the schedules You can also cancel the schedule, like here underneath it there's a cancel booking. For cancel booking, we need to send the reasons to the customer, and customer will see the SMS. So you can type up your own reason, or you can just use pre-set up reasons. I would just say fully booked, check, and this booking case will cancelled. But you can always see with cancelled button here, check it, and you will see which has been cancelled. And you want to make it to a live booking case, then click it and back to original. Then now it's not cancelled, right? Now it's not cancelled. You can use this as a live booking case, right? Click that one. And there's a lot of informations. I'll show you one by one. But first of all, in the booking session here, you will see the informations, basic informations about customers, booking cases, etc. But you don't see the items because this case is booked by you, booked by admin, not from the customer. So what you need to do is set up a order. So click manage orders button and then select the service, count it and edit. Then you now have one service for this customer. Now you have PHP basic maybe lesson with the customer. Now set up one more. Then you will see this session, which means this booking is for 2 hours, but by adding up one more lesson, then it has 3 hours session, right? But originally this is 2. So you can keep the time for booking case, or you can just change the time for booking case. It just lets you know, and if you want to change it. If you don't want to, then just keep it. It's just about the time, not about the booking case. So if you change the duration, then go back to the scheduling list and see it's from 11 to 2 p.m. which is 3 hours. Same as that, if you delete one of the service, now it's becoming 1 hour session because you have only one service item and that's just for 1 hour. So in this case, if you want to keep it, skip it, change it. I'll just keep it. Then even though you have just 1 hour session, because you didn't change it, it's just 3 hours, right? So use it wisely. That's how you use manage orders, because the customer, this booking case is not by customers, it's by you create it, so you have to set up the orders as well if you want to. And the other session shows you if there's image or allocated histories or the comments for this member, like 047877663331. You can leave the message to share with other schedulers, other designers. So if this customer has something wrong or did something wrong or always late, set up late, this person is late, is always late, and leave a comment, you will see this person is always late. If someone else has the same, using the same number, you will see this person is always late. So you can share the information about this person, which is the phone number, how this person did something, right? And I showed you how to cancel it. So this is the basic information about booking, and you can see orders here. Simply check the orders, and you can also check histories history is based on the number here. So this person booked as Tony, Ellen, Tony on this date, on this time, something like that. And when, for example, Tony used Let's Book, Let's Book the shop, and set up by himself to make booking, then this person have a chance to attach the email to show you, I want this kind of style. Then you will see images over here. But now this one has made by yourself. That's why it doesn't have image attached. But that's what it shows. And underneath it, we have a rescheduling. I showed you how to reschedule or send it to another person, right? You can just move, or you can change the time just like that. Oh, that's for a new one, sorry. You can just click that one and change the time for booking. But you can just click that one, choose this button, reschedule button, and do the same thing, right? And also, I showed you confirm booking. You can confirm booking means you send a SMS message to the customer, which count your SMS credits, right? It's not going to be always one, but sending SMS for booking case for confirmation, it just spend one, no more than that. So you can always send SMS again by clicking this one, and you can cancel it. I'm just gonna cancel again, and then it canceled. If you go back to with cancelled checking, then you will see cancelled cases. Click that one and back to original, then it's becoming live booking case. And then click that one. That's done. I'll show you how to use it on the same date. Normally, on the date, we have Jason's case. Jason's case is from 2:30 to 3:30, right? But now it's 3 p.m. on 22nd. But it's finished. Let's just say this case is finished. Click that one and click done. And now see this is gray, which means it's done. It's paid, right? You can always undone it. Sorry about that. Undone it. Then it means this is not finished. This is not paid or something like that. This is your own taste. If you don't want to use done or undone, then don't use it. If you want to use it and make sure everyone is fine, then use it. So use it very wisely. Okay, so we see how to use this case: changing the case, reschedule the case, cancel the case, sending an SMS for confirmation, something like that. There's another buttons here. I'll show you a receipt. If you click the receipt, then you can set up all the ABNs and ACNs if you have it. Then which products, the email, and the name of the customer, the price. If you send it, make a receipt, then this person will have a receipt via the email address. Okay, so if I send the receipt, then the person will get receipt like that on email, right? So that's how it works. And if you go to here, there's a receipt management. If you search here, then you will see the case. This is what I just sent to the customer. So you can just simply sending a receipt and check the receipt you have sent to the customers, right? And you can search up here and manage it. And the other one is click that one. If you go back, there's a receipt button. Right next to it there's add lock count, which means this is for black consumer. If the customer is always late, has a lot of problems, what you can do, you can just click that one and you will see lock button and it has been once clicked. You can just click more, then it's twice. So you can kind of set up your own, own laws or regulations. Then if this customer has problems, maybe more than 3 times, then you will lock it. So this is 3 times, then you can just block it, which means this customer, you don't want to care about it, right? So just locked it. You will see on the scheduler, you will see locked it, and you can just cancel it. Cancel this case. So you don't want to meet this black consumer anymore. That's what it means. But if the customer come back to you and say sorry and want to use your service, then you can always redeem it. Redeem means you can make this person safe and keep, make booking and use your service. That's how this one works. So I'll show you every functions on the booking cases. And the last one is breaks. Click that one and choose the scheduler and select the duration, like 1 hour. And you can set up 5 breaks at once. So I'll just set up 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. For LN, always 1 p.m. for 1 hour. She's gonna have break submitted. Now there's no errors happening. So you will, if you see 22nd here for LN, there's a break here. Same as 28th, there's break here. 29th, break here. So you can use that break setup for 1 week for one person and set up like that. So that's how it works. If you have some more questions, let us know about that. Thank you very much.